said, motherfucker, you let a nigga go, we can take pictures all night. That's when they said, click, click. Now they sat my black ass on the curb. Sunset Boulevard. Fans driving by. You know how motherfuckers are. They don't know, you know what I mean? I entertain, but I'm a real motherfucker. I'm on the corner, click, click, and niggas ride by. Hey, what up? I'm like, nigga, I can't wave back. You love a nigga that much, pull over, help me. I'm fucked up, I can't talk for myself. This motherfucker put me in the car. I'm in the back, it's an uncomfortable ride, you know, and they got the shit on tight back there, motherfucker. And you can't get comfortable.